Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with our 55th Technique Tuesday. So I know we said that we were going to continue on our stamping journey, and we are going to be continuing on that. However, we just wanted to share with you a nifty new thing, well, not a new thing, an old thing, that Close to My Heart came back out with. They are called
TRUE FIT Folios.
Yes. So unfortunately, they have sold out of them online. But in case you did take advantage of them while they have been out and you don't exactly know how to use them, or if you're a little bit unsure, we just wanted to let you know how you can use them. Also, we do have tons of them in our inventory, so if you would like one, please let us know and we will get it to you. Are you ready to show them?
I am ready.
All right. Here we go.
All right, so here we have our pages already ready to go. We have our base page actually already in the page protector here, but this I'm going to put aside for now and we will use that later. So this is our 2 pages that we are going to be gluing down. This is our TRUE FIT folio right here. See, it's got the tab on it and it opens up, and then this is the page that we are going to be gluing on here. So first, I just wanted to show you that this is the 12 by 12 folio. This is what the folio looks like. So it's literally a 12 by 12 file folder, as you can see right here. So how we are going to be doing this is this page is going to be the one that actually goes inside of the page protector. I will do it at the end, but it goes in like that. And then this side is what we're going to be gluing on. So, to get started, I am actually going to be gluing this top page first. So I'm going to take this, and then I'm literally going to glue around the edges here. Because this has the file, you don't want to glue on the page because then you might end up, if you glue the top of the paper, because this has it's a ½ an inch shorter with the file tab, you might glue to the other side of the page, and that's not what we want. So I'm going to glue here and then down the edges. Perfect. Just some reinforcement on the inside there. So that's all my glue. And then this, I'm going to make sure lines up with the edges on the bottom here, with the file there and there. So you're going to have a little bit of extra white on the top, but that's perfectly okay because this is actually going to be where it flips, so that little bit of extra space is perfectly fine. So then we're going to open to the inside, and you can see it's right along the top. And right, just like flip-flops, you want to make sure that you are flipping correctly. So this is how the page is going to be, and then that's going to be like that. So we're going to take that glue once again. And this time I'm actually going to glue across the top because I want those 2 pages to be connected, and then I'm also going to glue it along the top part of the folio itself. Make that strong. And here I'm going to use the top of this folio and the paper and make sure everything is lined up well. Perfect. All right, so that is connected to your flip, and once again there is a little bit right here, but that is your flip. So how do you cover this? Well, first of all, let me slip it inside of this page, just so you can see what the whole thing looks like. Super easy because it's a 12 by 12, so it just slips right in there. All right, so we've got it inside, and you flip it up, and it's those 2 pages. So how do I cover this? Well, let me take my handy dandy cutter and an extra one of our page protectors. So with our page protectors, they do have the 3-hole punch here, and basically what you're gonna do is you're just gonna snip that right off. So if you can see, it has this double-edged
closure here. So all of our page protectors have this extra 1/2 inch. So when you put them in your, not necessarily the D-ring albums, but when you put them in the post-bound albums, this extra 1/2 inch does not let it alligator. So they actually lay flat in your albums. But we're actually going to cut that 1/2 inch off along with the 3 rings. And we're going to go right up to this 1 stitched edge right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to line up my page protector here. You could also do this with a scissor if you want, but the cutter actually gives it a cleaner edge. So I'm just going to do that. And just go a few times because it is a page protector to make sure that that came off, which it did. Put that aside. And now I've got that clean edge, and I just made myself a flip flap. Just without the glue. So then I take my 2 pages that have been glued down, and I am just going to slip this on top. There you have it. So you have your top page, your flip up, and then your bottom. Sorry, I just hit the holder, but that's your True Fit folio. And that's Technique Tuesday. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you do have any more questions about our True Fit folios, do let us know. We think we've covered everything, but just make sure that you do put your page protectors over them so they do not get hurt, and make sure that you also glue that page down to the folio itself. So we don't do it in our demos because we want to show people how they can use them, but they are more secure if you do glue them down. So, and thank you to all of our new subscribers out there, and everybody, thank you for following our journey. We are really glad that you are still with us, and continue to be with us, and we will get back to Stamping 101 next week. We'll see you then. Bye.
Bye.
Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with what number? Make sure that you do put your page protector over them, and make sure that you do glue them down to the page protector, otherwise they might slide.
Not the page protector, the paper.
Yes, make sure you actually glue them down to the folio itself.
Yes.
I'm going to start over because there's a car coming.